I'll select scene 8 from bank 1 and press the MIDI record button to enter it. As you'll notice, the LEDs all flash, indicating that the scene has been stored into the chase. I'll use the up bank button to get to bank 2. And I pre-recorded 4 scenes into this bank. I'll select scene number 2 from bank 2 and store that into my chase. I'll then select scene 4 from bank 2 and store that into my chase. You can store up to 240 steps in each chase button. There are a total of 12 chase buttons. Next, I'll select scene 1 from page 2 and store that. I'll then deactivate chase 1 by pressing the chase 1 button. All the scenes that I stored there are now saved. I'll record a second chase into chase button 2. Once again, use the down and up bank buttons to select your scene bank. I'll select scene 1 from bank 1 as my first chase step, then press the MIDI record button to enter. I'll select scene 3 from bank 1 to be my second chase step, then press the MIDI record button to enter. Select scene 7 from bank 1 and press the MIDI record button to enter. I'll then press the up arrow bank button to get to bank 2 and select a scene from here to store, pressing the MIDI record button. Once again, you can record up to 240 steps by taking these actions. I'm going to store one final chase into chase button number 3, repeating the same actions of selecting my scene bank using the scene bank buttons, and selecting the scene that I wish to have as the first part of my chase. Once selected, press the MIDI record button to enter. MIDI record button to enter. Scene 6 from page 1, followed by the MIDI record button to enter. Scene 3 from page 1 and the MIDI record button to enter. Press the up bank button and select scene 4 and press the MIDI record button to enter. I'll then deselect chase 3 and press the program button for 2 seconds to exit the program mode. To playback chase, press the blackout button if the indicator next to the blackout text is flashing. Doing this takes the controller out of blackout mode. Next, select one of the chases that you wish to play back by pressing one of the 12 chase buttons. I selected chase button 1. Now the controller is in manual mode. I can then sequence through the chase steps by using the up-down bank buttons. If you wish to have the controller automatically play the chase back, you can press the auto delete button, in which all chase steps will then be automatically sequenced. You can use the speed fader to adjust each step's hold time. You can also adjust the fade time fader to add a fade time between chase steps. You can also select chases to be in standby mode so that once the selected chase finishes running, the next one selected will follow. The flashing LED indicates that this is the chase that's running. Once this finishes running, the next selected chase will automatically begin to play back. As I've recorded 3 chases here, notice that the 3 chases will sequence once they are finished playing. If you wish to have the controller trigger the chases via sound, you can press the music button, which activates the internal microphone. A sound that is detected from that point forward will trigger the chase steps. In addition, if you have a line level input connected to the rear of the controller, the low frequencies will trigger the chase steps. To put the controller back in auto mode, press the button once again. Once the same chase button is selected, it deactivates the chase. Once you deactivated all chases, if you have the auto button selected, any scenes from the selected bank will begin to run automatically. If you wish to black out all lights at this point, press the blackout button. The stock joystick is interchangeable with optional data wheels. If you wish to have control of your fixtures using data wheels as opposed to a joystick, you can purchase this from your local Elation dealer. Change it out is very simple. Get a Phillips head screwdriver and take out the 2 Phillips head screws that fasten the joystick module to the controller. Once you detach the connector from the joystick module, make sure to securely fasten the connector to the new data wheel module. Insert the screws, pull the actual wheels off, and then refasten the screws so that the module is attached to the unit. Once you attach the screws, you can then replace the knobs. This will now give us control of our tilt and pan for assigned fixtures.